Margie, going down. Says dangerous, but hey. Okay, boy, oh boy. Don't have the right kind of shoes either. One little mistake and boom. Okay. Oh boy. Ooh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, this is dangerous. I better not try. No way. Let's see. Okay, let me try this side. Oh boy. Let's try. Somebody already slip and slide it over here. Wow, I'm gonna come back up. Okay, let's see. Let's see, what is the price going down? I'm right over here. Where you at? Yeah, I know it's gonna be a hard time coming back up. You can see me? Somebody already slid. Okay, I just gotta be careful. So this is the surprise right there. Pacific Ocean. Huh. It's pretty bad down this way too. Let's try to go this way. Okay. That's it. I don't think so. It's too muddy. But you can see the view from here. Look. Wow. That's where I came from, all the way up from the top. You cannot even see the top. Well, when I get up there, you will find out. Wow. Bye now. Take some pictures now. Wow. It is awesome.